let's say your mom gives you a task, which is to go to a store and buy 3 kilos of tomatoes. Well, the problem came when you're walking along the street and you find 2 stores. Now, in front of one store, it said 5 kilos of tomatoes for 40 rupees. In front of the next store, there was a board which said 6 kilos of tomatoes for 42 rupees. Now, you have a dilemma. Do you go buy tomatoes from the first store or the second store, or you just skip it and buy candy from the store next to it? Well, anyway, if you want to buy the tomatoes at the cheapest possible rate, you could use what we call as a unitary method. In this unitary method, what you basically do is find the price of 1 unit, which in this case happens to be 1 kilo. So, if you know the price of 1 kilo of tomatoes, you could always know the price of 3 kilos of tomatoes. So then, you can choose the cheapest way to buy 3 kilos of tomatoes. So let's say, what's the price of 1 kilo of tomatoes in the first store? Well, you know that you get 5 kilos for 40 rupees. So that means you get 1 kilo for 40 divided by 5, which is 8 rupees. And in the second store, you get 42 rupees for 6 kilos. So that means 1 kilo would cost 42 by 6, which is 7 rupees. Now, you have the prices for 1 kilo of tomatoes in both store 1 and store 2. So this way, the price for 3 kilos of tomatoes in the first store would be 8 into 3, which is 24 rupees, and in the second store, that would be 7 into 3, which is 21 rupees. You could use the same technique to measure anything like distance, speed, time, weight, mass, etc. So what have we learned in this video? We have seen how to use the unitary method for measurement of prices. So until next time, happy learning!